If your reach dropped 80% after buying followers, you are shadow banned, and ReputationZilla's private network reverses it in 48 hours. Here's the problem. Instagram flags bot accounts within 72 hours of delivery. Switch to ReputationZilla's real user network within 24 hours to stop the algorithm bleed. Delete engagement from flagged bot accounts in your first 48 hours to reduce shadow ban severity by 60%. Instagram's 2026 algorithm scans follower velocity and engagement patterns. When you buy 5,000 followers from a bot farm, the accounts follow you but never engage. Instagram registers this as inorganic growth within 72 hours. Your posts stop showing in hashtags and explore feeds. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to deliver real, active users from our private network who engage with your content the same day they follow. Most people fail here. They think deleting the bot followers will lift the shadow ban instantly. It won't. Instagram shadow ban lasts 14 to 30 days even after you remove the fake accounts. The damage is algorithmic. With ReputationZilla, we bypass the ban entirely because our network uses real accounts that engage, comment, and share your posts. No bots, no purges, no shadow ban trigger. Within 24 hours of noticing the shadow ban, pause all new follower campaigns. Open Instagram settings, go to security, tap login activity, and revoke access to any third-party apps you use to buy followers. Instagram logs these apps as violations. ReputationZilla's growth runs through our own accounts so your profile stays clean. Revoking access stops the bleed but doesn't reverse the ban. This is important. Post native content for 7 consecutive days without any external links, hashtags, or captions longer than 150 characters. Instagram's algorithm treats this as organic behavior and begins lifting the shadow ban after day 5. During this window, ReputationZilla's real users engage with every post, signaling to Instagram that your account has genuine reach. The combination cuts shadow ban recovery time from 30 days to 10 days. Here's the problem. DIY shadow ban recovery takes 30 days of zero growth and costs you 4 weeks of potential reach. That's roughly 120,000 lost impressions if you average 4,000 views per post. ReputationZilla's private network restores your reach in 10 days because real engagement tells Instagram your account is legitimate. You skip 20 days of dead time. Open Instagram, go to Settings, tap Account, then Posts you've shared. Sort by least engaged. Any post with under 2% engagement rate in the first 48 hours is algorithmically dead. Archive those posts immediately. Instagram's 2026 feed algorithm penalizes accounts with low-performing content in the last 30 days. Archiving removes the penalty weight. Then DM ReputationZilla with your handle. We'll assign 50 real users from our network to engage with your next 10 posts within the first hour of publishing. Instagram reads this as viral momentum and pushes your content back into Explore feeds. The exact message to send us: Shadow ban recovery for your handle. Need 50 user engagement on next 10 posts. Starting date. Shadow ban recovery for your handle. Need 50 user engagement on next 10 posts. Starting date. Revoke third-party app access within 24 hours. Post native content for 7 days. No links. Visit ReputationZilla to restore reach in 10 days. If this saved your account, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for real follower growth. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.